To access the dashboard, just type QueueBuster.co on any of the URL and tap on Login. It will prompt you to enter the username and password, and you'll be logged into the dashboard. At the home page, by default, you will see today's date with the complete collection, including tax and discount. And if you have multiple stores, you can see all the location sales at one place, including the payment breakup. Personalize your custom date for the view. Also, you will see the sales trend to make a marketing decision and a glimpse of your top selling products with the quantity and the sales amount. The catalog section, the first dashboard, gives you a glimpse of all the products and the count and the last updated date and timestamp, along with the active promotions which are there. We can add categories, subcategories, manufacturer, brand, income, head and service group. And similarly, if you wish to add products, we can use the product option. Use the bulk operations to perform bulk operations in Excel and even print a barcode form, or create the products one by one. Feel free to edit the products, their price, their pictures using the 3 radio buttons on the right side and tap on edit. Create product groups or services using the dedicated tabs. And feel free to create taxes or charges designed for your business. You can assign the products to respective store and even create a separate price list for the same. Create promotions, discounts, combos, vouchers. Using the promotional products, you can create combos or memberships or vouchers or even promotions. The inventory tab would be used for all the stock in purpose, and both the functions are there. Even one by one you want to enter the product or even perform a bulk operations, we can do that. Just select the destination you would like to stock in using different methods. Use the stock out option. Same bulk operations or one by one for taking out stock maybe expired or wastage. Create stock requisitions in bulk or one by one from one store to another store, or maybe from a warehouse or a central kitchen. Use stock transfer option, the bulk operation for single destination or for multiple operations in Excel form. Or use stock transfer option one by one for the same purpose. Stock validation can be used for audit purpose, which will override the stock with the physical count and in the system. Purchase, create vendors, assign products to them, the margins to them, and also the stores can be mapped to the vendors. Create purchase orders, create probably see vendor invoices with the settlement report and their payment status to the vendors, and everything is on a downloadable format. We can even use vendor filters and even the status of the invoice. The invoice settlement report can also be downloaded, again vendor wise filter and invoice wide filter, and in a downloadable format. The customer tab can be used to see the list of all customers, and if you wish to upload the list to your customers, use the bulk operations or create new customers with their respective details using dedicated tabs. You can see inactive customers, you can set loyalty programs, the earn rate, the burn rate, and set different programs, the minimum available points, and send SMS and even give them rewards by first time users or on their special days. You can even see customer credit sale all or probably location wise, what customers have to pay, and again in downloadable format. You can even see credit settlements and credit note history if you're issuing the same. You can even track message history and take SMS credits or WhatsApp credit using dedicated tabs, and even perform customer sales report in a downloadable format in selecting the date range or the stores. Using the employees section, you can create respective roles as per your business. So either it's an admin, a manager, or a staff member, or even an accountant or a cashier can be created. And then we can assign respective roles to the staff members depending on their work scope. Setting tab allows you to edit or probably correct the details that you wish to. So you want to enter your TIN number, GST number, or maybe a FSSAI number can be done here. And some radio buttons would also allow you to perform various activities and even enable low stock alert using this. Same way, create regions or warehouses or stores or maybe channels. If you have multiple sources of sales, you can create sales channels and define different prices as a markup or a markdown on a slack rate. If we have different channels of sales, we can use this tab to create channels and even define different pricing for the same. So device configuration will give you information on when was the device last synced. Billing, over the billing part in settings, we can personalize the receipt with your logo, what you want to write on the header, the footer, and select from respective radio buttons which we require to perform. Can add remarks for no charge or cancellation or stock validation. We can add specific remarks for tracking purpose, and software license will give you a status of your license, how it's working. E-store, you can create a catalog separately if you want to manage your e-store both in bulk and even add or remove products one by one. We can create promotional banners to set up the display for the customer that he would see. Even set legal policies like about us and privacy and different policies that you would like to define for the customer. Using the settings tab, you can personalize the logo that you would like to get displayed, and even enter your Instagram link or Facebook link or YouTube link where the e-store you can receive orders and set up your opening and closing time, and even set the delivery pin codes that you would like to accept orders, including the notification emails and notification phones where you would like to receive the orders whenever it is there. Khata is a traditional way of keeping track of all the debits and credits that you would like to keep. And similarly, all the integrations can be found here, and expense management can be used specifically for defining day-to-day expenses. So either it's your travel allowance or daily food allowance that you're giving to your staff members, and even allot the amount which can be used by them. Now, report section is really amazing because you get access to 80 plus business analytical reports, and all the reports are in downloadable format, and we can select a custom date range or even select stores or even counters if required. So starting from all the reports of orders to sales orders to promotions to products in purchase orders or even purchase returns, quotations, what we call as performer invoices, and a deep penetrated sales report. So either it's a daily sales report, we can select the store along with the date range and entity-wise sale, store-wise location sales, income head, product wise, customer wise, employee wise, hourly wise. So there are multiple reports which can be downloaded and help you make a business decision. List of all online orders would be tracked here, and inventory. So all the stock levels at different locations are just on a click away. You can see what store has what stock level and what is the count. So it helps you with the replenishing the stock. store-wise stock levels and product aging group. All the reports can be found under this tab. Staff reports would give you a basic glimpse of the attendance, the in and the out time. The membership reports available and membership being used can be tracked from this tab. The logs, the product logs or device settlement logs can be tracked here. And similarly, the vendor management, including the purchase order history, purchase order summary, can be downloaded using these dedicated tabs. Use the search button on the home ribbon to perform a dedicated activity. For example, if you would like to reconfigure or personalize your receipt, just go here and type receipt. It will route you directly to the receipt section. So again, similarly, if you would like to perform any stock operations, so we can directly come on stock part and probably we can perform respective activity using the search option. The profile section allows you to change the language and even change the password of your account. So we see that how easy managing your business is just on your fingertips using the cloud dashboard. Thank you.